Ooh, hi everybody! Welcome back to Gazzi's ABCs. Today we're going to do the letter K. So to make a K, we want to keep this side of our body nice and straight. This side wants to go out like this, and then our arm can raise up like this. Look, I'm a K. Good, can you do this? Yeah, that's right, good job. K. What animal begins with the letter K? I know. Do you know? No? Have a guess. It lives in Australia. No, not kangaroo, but that does begin with the letter K. What's this animal? Yeah, it's a koala. Koala. So, we've got K, K, K. K, wa, k, 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 k. Look at his hands. The fingers are so long. So we're going to go koala, koala. Do you know what a koala loves to do? No? It loves to climb a tree. So let's go climb a tree. Good job. Let's go from the beginning. K, K, K. K, K, K. Koala, koala, climb a tree. Awesome. All together now. Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. K, K, K. K, K, K. Koala, koala, climb a tree. Awesome work, guys. I'm loving learning my ABCs with you. So, I'll see you next time. Bye.